Alright, sorry about the screen here. Now we are in Desmos. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys in MAT 145 how to make a silly picture in Desmos, and then the key thing is how to save it for yourself, and then how to send it to me. Okay, so today in class we made faces. I'm not going to make a very exciting thing. Let's just make, I don't know, just a parabola. Very boring picture. The point isn't the nice graph. The point is to save it. So the first thing you want to do is create an account or sign in. So you have two options. One is to create an account, and the other one is to sign in with Desmos or with your Google account. I'm going to assume that you don't have a Google account, so instead we're going to create an account. And I'm just going to use my email address. So I'm going to use my Taylor email address. So my name is Derek Thompson. My email address, as you guys know, is Derek Thompson. You will not see my password, so that's good. And then I will create an account. And if you're using Chrome, they might ask you about saving your password. You don't have to confirm. So maybe I got an email from Desmos, but I'm already signed in here. Okay, and it says Derek. You can see I'm signed in. I can save this graph up here with entitled graph. I can change it. So I clicked on entitled graph. Let's call this one boring parabola, and I can save it. Now, you cannot save graphs in the Desmos app, which is kind of annoying. So in class, we'll probably just use the app, or you can go to the website, just desmos.com. Also, if you're on the website and you're signed in, you'll see a bunch of standard examples. Those are in every account. Then at the top, you see the one I made that I could delete if I wanted, but I'm not going to. It's my boring parabola. So that's how you save it, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to make your complicated picture of your face and then lose it. So anytime you make a change, it doesn't autosave. So even already you see how the light turned green to save. So you want to add another thing. Now I need to save again. Okay. If I try to exit without saving, it'll say, "Are you sure you want to save? You want to leave because you haven't saved?" So let's stay on the page and save. Then if you close it, it's fine. So let's go back to Desmos and launch the calculator. And I'm still signed in because I haven't closed my browser. But if I do close my browser, and then I open it back up, when I go launch the calculator, I won't be signed in. Well, actually, it remember me, I guess. Maybe if you clear your cookies. So let's say you're on somebody else's computer and you go to desmos.com, you launch the calculator. Now that I've created an account, you just sign in. And so here Google remembered me, but you just put in your email and password and sign in. And my boring parabola graph is there, and I can open it. So the way you're going to send it to me is you're going to hit share graph in the top right corner. You can also, there's also a nice print feature, but you hit share graph. You can either email me this link, or you can make an image. If you just hit email, this is send to, and then I'll send it to me, and I'll say it's from me. And you can say, here is my Desmos extra credit. And then I will save them on my account once everybody's done. So I can hit send, and then I will get an email. You can also, if you want, embedding is for like embedding in websites, but you can also hit image, and it will create a screenshot for you, which is kind of nice. You can click the screenshot to download it. That's another way to have it, so you can always have that picture. Or you can hit print image, and it'll just print the image without all the stuff around it. So that's a nice printer-friendly version of the graph if you want to print it off for notes or something like that. Alright, so that is how you're going to make your face and then save it for me. Okay, and as we go throughout the semesters, if you have more questions about Desmos, I can just make a screencast like this.